Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.18 trillion. We're down 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing red across the board because the Bitcoin did take a minor retracement again, and you guys know when Bitcoin takes a retracement, the entire market goes down with it. But today I want to talk about none other than VeChain. Alright guys, if we're looking at VeChain's price right now, VeChain is currently trading at 17.5 cents. It's up 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.5% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. VeChain's rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 17 spot. Market cap right now is $11.45 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, in just the last year alone, we're up 3,900%. In the last 7 days, we are down 22.4%. This, factors into due to the fact that we did see the price correction for Bitcoin due to the fact that Elon Musk came out and said they won't be accepting Bitcoin, and also Bitcoin having a retracement. So this has caused prices for the majority of the cryptocurrency markets, coins to go towards the downward side. But I believe for zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, we are still looking bullish. But I want to share something with you guys, and then we will do deeper dive into the charts and see exactly where we will be heading in the immediate short term. So Sunny Liu to Mark Cuban, VeChain transforms technology value into business value. In the series of tweets, Cuban describes the necessity of users for each crypto platform. He stated that having more transactions per second and lower gas fees is not enough, adding that crypto projects have to create demand for people to use their products. Cuban stated, crypto and each implementation is evolving in real time from what is the potential utility to what is the currently utility and how many users does it have. Token/coin prices are now less a bet on the future and more a reflection of real demand. Crypto is a product driven business. Each platform has to create demand for its product slash applications that outperform the non-crypto equivalents. Like any business, it needs customers, sales, and profits. Sunny Liu had, replied towards this tweet, and he said, "A true transforming technology value to be business value is the mission of VeChain, along with many builders in the world." And as you guys may know, the controversial topic is relation to Bitcoin carbon footprint, which initiated by Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, about 2 days ago. According to Sunny Liu, blockchain and VeChain can bring significant change to the decarbonization sector, adding the vital change and emerge through digitizing individual efforts to sustainability. So the reason for me to share this is with you guys because this goes to show what VeChain really is building. What it really is building, it's just not a token. It's just not a token. It has real utility, strong fundamentals, and on top of that, it has a working product, and it's solving real world problems. So when you look at all that, that gets me very excited, and that goes to show what the potential really is for VeChain. And the early comers that are already starting to realize that are going to be rewarded, in my opinion, in the long haul. But now let's deep dive into the charts to see exactly what VeChain is doing. So since yesterday, nothing has changed. Yep, we did have obviously this price retracement. We went all the way up to 19.3 cents yesterday, but now we have pulled back 11.3% due to the fact that obviously Bitcoin is having a retracement right now. Going on to BTC's chart right now, guys. BTC is sitting right now at 45,352 dollars. As you guys know, this is a strong level of support for Bitcoin. This one right here, and this support level is around 46,500. But currently, guys, we are below that. We have broken below that support level, and so far it is looking on the bearish side for Bitcoin. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that Bitcoin has a recovery back into this range and go back above this support level. But if we're unable to go above that, then we can even possibly fall down to 43,200, guys. We're keeping it 100% realistic with you guys here right now, and I'm not gonna come out to you and say no. Well, Bitcoin's just looking perfectly fine. Bitcoin is looking bearish, but you never know. Maybe this is whale manipulation, and we could be bought back up very quickly. But if there is more downwards side to Bitcoin, we could go back down to $43,200, and I believe that should be a level of support for Bitcoin to hold and bounce back of. So all my eyes are on that level as of now. We are very close to that level right now if we do have measure that right now. So we are only, yeah, we are, guys, we're only like 3.75% away from that, and that is a level of support. But if we're unable to hold that, then so we could see some further downwards movement for Bitcoin, and that means VeChain along with the entire crypto market is going to go down with it. Right now the things are looking bearish for short term, in my opinion, due to Bitcoin. It's all due to Bitcoin, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the crypto markets. It doesn't matter how bullish the entire markets are. If Bitcoin goes in the downwards trend, the entire market will fall down with it. But as of now, VeChain is holding it around that 17 cents mark. But I would not be surprised if we do see some more downwards trend for Bitcoin, for VeChain to fall all the way down to this 15.5 cents level. That is a strong level of support for VeChain. I'm hoping for that to hold, but like I said, if the magnitude of the BTC pullback is bigger, then if it's unable to hold around these levels, around this level at the $43,000 level, there's more downwards trend. And if we go back to $40,000, I do expect the possibility of us falling back down to this level for VeChain as well. But as of now, I hope Bitcoin recovers, get back into that above this $46,500 range, and I believe everything will start looking good at that point. But you guys know my stance. If you guys are in it for the long haul, these kind of corrections occur left and right, guys. If we're zooming out, the entire crypto markets have come up a long way. This correction that we're seeing is mainly caused due to the fact that Elon Musk came out, and guys, we cannot control these news coming out. This is why I always say have some sort of exit strategy in place. If you have too much profits locked in, take profits. I always say that to you guys. And if you're new to the markets, guys, you will not get rich overnight. I'm sorry to break that to you. You always have to have patience in this market. If you have invested what you can afford to lose and you have done your due diligence, patience is your number one key to follow. Bringing out the Fibonacci retracement level for you guys. So if we're bringing this out right now, we could see we're literally hovering in that 61.8 zone. What I personally would like VeChain to do is get back into this range, guys. This range over here. Just stay around that 0.50 and gradually start moving back up. That is the healthy, in my opinion. But as of now, we are not doing that, and we possibly could fall back down to this level. This is what I would like for it to see. But as of now, the bearish scenario is outweighing the bullish scenario in the short and medium term. But if you guys are in it for the long haul, you guys know crypto is the future. Projects like VeChain with real utility, real use case, and has a working product and bringing mass adoption to the crypto space will succeed. I will say right now to you guys. There is so many coins on the cryptocurrency markets, guys. There is about 4 to 5 thousand coins on the cryptocurrency markets, guys. 95% of those coins or even more will fail. They will fail. I just keep it 100% realistic with you guys because I've been in the markets for a while. Majority of the coins do tend to fail, but the ones with a real working product, have strong communities, bringing a use case, they tend to win long term. And I believe VeChain is one of them. And I'm in it for the long haul. You guys know my stance. I've already shared it with you guys so many times. I believe VeChain is the future, and these kind of price corrections do not get to me whatsoever. And I know a lot of newcomers are coming to the space, so that's why I want to make an update for you guys and say, do not worry. As long as you have invested what you can afford to lose and you have done your due diligence, your patience is your number one key to follow. So this is it for today's update for VeChain. If we're going back to Google Trends. Google Trends were going towards an all-time high, but we're seeing some sort of pullback. But that's nothing to worry about. I believe we will see some newer all-time highs for Google searches, as long as the more buying pressure really kicks in, and the organic growth comes in both ways for it. And there's a lot of people talking about VeChain now, guys. There's some big influencers that are talking about VeChain, so that is very bullish. And the community is very strong. And I believe that this is this year alone, like in 5-6 months down the road, we will be looking back at these prices and laughing at that. But only time will tell. With that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update around here. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.